May nakita po akong ano, isang homeless. Ang ginaw-ginaw. Mukha siyang ginaw-ginaw kaya yun ako, kaharapin ko po. So okay lang siya, hindi ko papakita yung nagkakamera ko kasi magre-reklamo naman ito. Ayan siya. Kain ko muna ito para kausapin ko naman siya. This guy, are you girl or woman? Why you here? I give you this one job because you're cold. I don't know how to remove this because I think there's a problem to do you have a home? You need home. Wait. Ayan ko muna ito. Open it. It's hard to open it. Yeah. I don't know what happened. So maybe you can use like this because this one is not dry. I give it to you. Okay? And I give you for you buy some food today. Okay? Because you know, I don't bring some money because maybe this one we can help you to buy some food for today. Okay? If raining, you only here or do you have a place?
I don't have a place. I'm only here.
So where you sleep if night? Where you sleep?
I'm not on the ground.
Oh yeah. You always here? Where?
Just around from here and in Beaumont.
This woman too.
Yeah, both places here or
Where?
by McDonald's. Today, no, I'm not going anywhere because they hurt my feet.
Just only because I broke this one.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but for
You
me.
can have the jacket back.
Oh no, I have that. Maybe sometimes if I see you again, I give you this.
Thank
So,
you.
buy some food, ha? Make sure buy some food. Not liquor, ha? Not drugs, food. You need to buy food for your own. Okay? Maybe next time I see you again, okay? If I bring some more clothes or what. Okay, if I see you again, okay? Bye. ulan sa lansangan. Kaya bigay ko na yung jacket ko, basang basa, nakakaawa. Wala daw siyang bahay. Kasi dito sa atin, dito sa ano, hindi pas-pas lang, may mahirap, may pulubi. Kaya yun lang, kailangan ng kahit konting tulong bigyan pag nakita mo ka. Kasi ako pinipili ko lang talaga yung pag nakita ko lang talaga ano, pero pag alam ko yung malakas tsaka bata pa, hindi ko inaano. Pero yan, kawawa eh, kitang kita mo talaga basang basa siya. Nasa gilid lang siya ng ano, ng ano ba yun, bilihan. Nakita ko lang siya dun eh, kawawa naman. Siyempre ikaw, may babaeng kapatid, may nanay ka, pag nakita mo, maawa ka talaga. Nangangatog sa ginaw. Kaya parang sabi ko, pag makita ko uli siya, bigyan ko siya ng mga damit. Ay naku, buhay talaga natin, no? Hindi mo alam ito nang mangyari, hindi mo alam mo. Ay, kawawa naman. Okay, sige po. Yung mga hayop nga na pagala-gala sa sulong sila, bibigyan mo ng pagkain, di ba? So itong mga pusang ito, hindi naman to dito, pero palagi kong binibigyan ng pagkain, kaya palagi nandito.